In today's video, I'm going to teach you how we can easily download and install Adobe Photoshop Express on a Windows computer. Before we jump right in, make sure your internet connection is stable and ready for some quick browsing. A steady connection will ensure that the download process goes smoothly without any interruptions. All right, let's begin by launching your preferred web browser. I'm currently using Google Chrome, which many people find quite user-friendly and reliable. But don't worry if you prefer something else. Whether it's Firefox, Edge, or any other browser, it will work just fine for this process. So once you've got your browser open and ready, let's head straight over to Google's homepage. Now focus on the search bar and type in Microsoft Apps, then hit Enter. This simple search query is our gateway to the official website where we can explore a variety of Microsoft applications. Once you've pressed Enter, take a look at your search results. The link you're looking for should be positioned right at the top and will be labeled as apps.microsoft.com. Go ahead and click on this link to proceed to the Microsoft Apps website. Now that you've arrived at the Microsoft Apps platform, let's shift our attention to the search bar located on this website. This is where you'll type Adobe Photoshop Express. That's the app we want to install. After entering the name, press Enter again. This action will direct you to a specific page dedicated to Adobe Photoshop Express, allowing us to get exactly what we set out for. Once you're on the app's page, it's time to take the final steps towards downloading it. Look for the button or link to click on Adobe Photoshop Express. Often, it's clearly marked to redirect you to the download section. Locate the download button on this page and click on it to initiate the download process. The downloading phase might take a few moments, depending on the speed of your internet connection, so you might want to take a quick stretch or grab a glass of water while it downloads. Once the download is complete, you should see an option to open the application. Simply click on Open, and just like that, you're ready to start using Adobe Photoshop Express. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully downloaded and installed Adobe Photoshop Express onto your Windows computer, ready to enhance your photos with ease. Whether you're touching up your latest snapshots or creating new visual projects, Adobe Photoshop Express is sure to make your photo editing experience a whole lot more enjoyable. Happy editing, and thanks for watching.